Queens. One place in the New York City where always know anywhere. Right there. Stop. General Mission, when I get stush from me. When I'm tired or hungry, what? It's not too hot. When I remember the dance with them song, 3 step, lead it out. Right through the crowd, right through the crowd, right through the crowd, 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 through the crowd. Remember who was here now? Remember me making no thing that. 3 seconds. What is it to the crowd? Go to the crowd. It's a VIP for me. Nobody might be on nothing. To the crowd. You see the rain that you've done there. Over there, so we are go. Oh, no, no. Party crowd if you don't want that. Bring it again. To the crowd. This is the motherland. This is where all start from. We're afraid to push on people. Always like, wow, when the road, take on it. Oh, no, hey, never call it a word, man. Take on the road. Yes, again. Yes, again. You know, love when I say this house Americans. Yes. Gotta get some. Bro, you cannot eat that here. Big man, you cannot eat that here. We're on the beach, but there's no seafood. No, she can dance up there. She can dance. You just can't eat it. Not in public, bro. We are sponsors. No, listen. Due to the sponsors of BRT, there will be no public meeting. Please take that to your hotel room, okay? I like that. Oh, listening names. We are trying to preserve this. I'm gonna play a song what we bust at BRG weekend. And then I'm gonna play another song that we are gonna bust at this BRG weekend. Do you remember 2017 Atlantic City when the Sanya drop? Come and stop them. But we don't see we are not there. We are not the next time I will be DJing in OG is I'm doing this birthday party. April the 8th or 9th. Which one, love? The 8th. Right there in Margaritaville where the after party there. You see when you come to Margaritaville on April the 8th, I doing a birthday party. That Sanya, I'm gonna run the world.
First job, I know you when you professor lecture. She said the new song going last.
Get used to this!
Fresh job, who's in the fresh job? Girl, he let me the shoes, but she said that. Just say you bring the food in.
What you dancing? She did dance there. She did dance there. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold it up. We dance on the right there, sir. We want to dance on the come there, sir. Forward there, sir. 3 steps. You are the crew right there, sir. Sorry. You this. You this. This is your fresh job. Everybody take out the video. Everybody take out the video. Take out the video.
I just
Yes, the song of us. You're going to remember when you hear the song hot and I say, yo, I was at BRT weekend when they bust this brand new album here. And all the dancers to do this dance.
First job, I know you when you professor lecture. She said the new song going last. Said that. Fresh job.
What? Fresh job. Who's up a fresh job? What is that? Fresh job. Fresh. Ooh, fresh job. I'm a fresh job. You can't be weekend. Can't be weekend. What it? What it? What Love, stop going like that. You're getting in our family. But I'm going to do a quote and I'm saying, everyone, we don't know. 1 Marcus, 1 Paul, 1 Platinum Kids.
Yo. Open at the man.